Hello, in this video we're going to be looking at creating isometric shape number 15 using Autodesk Inventor. To do this, first we'll create this bottom base, then we'll add in this rectangle piece that comes up, and then we'll insert the holes and round off the edges as necessary. So first we're going to make this bottom rectangle by making a 10 long by 1 high rectangle and extruding it back. So we're going to go in the Inventor, start a new sketch on a new part, and work on the XY plane. I'm going to create a rectangle starting from the origin. I'm going to type 10, tab 1, and enter. That gives me my rectangle. Then I finish sketch, and I'm going to extrude it out. The distance on this particular shape is 6, and hit OK. So that gives me my base. On top of that, I'm going to start 2D sketch. I'm going to rotate it just so it's a little easier for us to see, and we're going to do this top piece, this top rectangle here. We're going to go in 4 and then up by or down by 2 in this case. So back to Inventor, we're going to start our sketch, do a rectangle, again starting from the origin. I'm going to go over by 4, tab down 2, enter. Then I'm going to finish sketch, and then I need to extrude up. In this case, I need to extrude up a total of 6. So I'm going to hit my extrude button and go up a distance of 6. And that gives me my overall shape. Now we're going to start by rounding off some of the edges. I'll do that by using the fillet tool. We'll click on top edge, and it's going to have a radius of 2. Same thing on this near edge. And then as we come down on this inside edge, it also gets a fillet of 2. So that gives us those edges as 2. I'm going to hit OK, and that gives us our overall structure there. To finish up the upright portion, I'm just going to put a hole in it. So I'm going to use the hole tool. Again, I need to put my hole concentric like we've done in the past. So I'm going to do concentric. Click on the face, I want it. I click on the arch, I want it concentric too. And then I need to change the size. In this case, it's going to have a diameter of 2, so I'm going to type in 2. And that gives me the hole, and then enter. So now I've finished up this upper portion. Now I need to work on the lower portion. On the lower portion, first I'm going to fillet these edges. And click on these edges down here and fillet them. Just 2 in this case. And now it's going to be, if we look closely, it's going to be 1.5 radius. So they're not quite as steep as our upper one. And then I'm going to hit OK. Next, I'm going to put the holes in the bottom. We have 2 on the near side and then 1 on the back side. The near side ones, I can do concentric to those edges I just made. So I can click. I'm going to need a radius of this time of 1. And then I want it concentric to the edge that it's next to. If I can get it, click in the right spot. In this case, I'm overlapping that edge, so I'm going to move it just a little bit and restart. So I want my hole on there, concentric to the edge, and it's going to be a radius of 1. Then I'm going to do the same thing on, apply that one, and do the same thing on this near edge. And same radius of 1, and I'm going to hit OK or apply because I need one last hole. Now I'm going to come over to this far side, and I want it to be linear this time. So I want it to be away from different edges. So I'm going to click on there, get my hole. I want it located 1.5 from the far edge, and then reference 2, click, and I want to click on this other edge and do 1.5 as well. And that should locate my holes in the correct location. So if we look, I could have done some parallel constraints as well to help locate it, but you can see we got our object created. We have each thing in the right location. If we zoom out, you can see it matches our image here on our ISO sheet. So that hopefully helps you in your creation of ISO number 15. Good luck.